Nice. Nice.
Hello, this is Darren Martineau from Master Magic University, and in this video I'm going to show you my new membership site for Master Magic Mentors membership. I have many different memberships, so this one is $5.99 a month, and it's for beginners, intermediate, and advanced magicians. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what kind of magic we have in here. We have new card magic, new coin magic, jumbo magic, we have staged magic, all kinds of different things in here. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what's inside here when you get access. So I have all kinds of video tutorials here. I'm also putting ebooks in here. This is 202 Methods of Forcing by Ted Anman. 10 Cards of Pocket, Gambler versus Psychic versus Magician. That's one of my self-working card miracles. On and on and on and on. So I'm just going to go through here and we're going to show you. You get access to all this incredible magic. See, I show card forces. I show, these are video tutorials. And this is for anybody ages 8 and up, okay? So you're going to learn all kinds of card sleights, card routines, coin magic. I'm putting hundreds of videos in here, adding videos in here every single day. This just goes on and on and on and on. I have my color changes, my half and half eclipse color change that's been used by Shin Lim. Many different things inside here. Coin magic, many magic that I've learned from my mentor, Alan Ackerman. This is an invisible deck with a regular deck. So what I've done is I've marked these, see whether they're easy, intermediate, or advanced magic in here. These are video tutorials. I'm also putting in books, and this just goes on and on and on. So join today. You'll get access. It's just $5.99 a month, and this is really incredible magic system. So if you're ready to learn new magic, join today. Thank you very much.